The most important thing that you can do as a photojournalist is, again, make yourself invisible. Try to capture the scene without becoming part of the scene, and the only way to do that is explore. But instead of me talking you through it, just watch what I'm doing here.
So just wanting to reference this one as okay. So I'm going to get you some books. Sounds good.
Cool. What? Do you guys like accept books from like outside to put in your library?
I am back at Kearney Academy. Yes, Kearney is special to me because I am a Kearney kid. And today I am in the library where students from a local charter school are helping the United Way, which they're volunteering their time to help out catalog the books at the Kearney School. And that's Angie over there with AmeriCorps, and this is her idea of creating a volunteer program with different schools in Fall River and New Bedford, which is kind of cool. Now, hopefully the books will all be cataloged and the kids can come in here and check out different books and read them, and yeah, I'm a fan of books for sure. Photographically, you just need to become invisible. That's the whole point. But there's so much stuff happening that it's real easy to get real interesting photographs. You just have to poke your camera in different places.
So I'm going to have you that's okay. And then have you
If you're driving around and you see this, that means park your car and figure out what's going on. So that's what we're gonna do. But I already know what's going on. Oh look, cyclists coming.
Oh, great day for pictures. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
How you guys doing? That's how it works. But let's go see what the closed road's all about. If only we didn't ever need to use batteries. This little guy ran out of juice, but I got some good shots. but it's a patience game. You gotta wait until it's where where it could be, and just a matter of waiting for the guy to go down the line with that. And I got a couple of nice shots, but it's about the symmetry in the picture. It's about the lines. It's about putting the other guys in the frame in the background so it fills up the frame nicely. Yeah, some nice pics. So there you go.